Welcome friends. So today we will start a new video, and in this video we will be covering crankcase and cylinder head. So let's start. Okay, so here you can see a slide in which we have given that what we are covering today in this video. So basically we are covering crankcase and its material, cylinder head and its material, and manufacturing process and machining. So first of all, let me give you a basic introduction of an IC engine. That, as you all know, that IC engine governs at a very high speed and at a very high temperature and pressure. So its materials and its machining process are very crucial. Okay, so we will cover all these important things in this video. So here I have provided a chart. You can see here component, functional requirement, material, manufacturing process, and machining. Okay, so component is crankcase, and in this wear resistant and withstand pressure and temperature as well as vibration is very crucial. Okay, and material cast iron alloy we use in making crankcase. Okay, crankcase is also called as cylinder block. Okay, so many people called it cylinder block as well. So I will be calling it a crankcase. So cast iron is an important material for this, aluminum alloy for costlier vehicles if you have seen there, and grey cast iron. So these are the material by which crankcase is made, and manufacturing process are sand casting, etc. So these are the images which you can see. This is a cylinder block on your left side, and on your right side you can see your cylinder head. Okay, so these are labelings are provided there in this image, so you can clearly understand all these important things. Okay, so sand casting is done here to manufacture these valves. You can see in bottom side of the cylinder head here. So we will understand other things in these videos. So here you are watching a crankcase of three cylinders. Okay, so this is your top surface. Here you can see water jacket. These are water jackets. So coolant flow from these water jackets, okay, around cylinder to provide cooling effect to them. And these are water jacket, these are cylinders. Okay, so these are cylinder bore. You can see here this is top surface of the crankcase, and inside the cylinder bore you can see this depth. Okay, so this depth is very important. Here we decide top dead center and bottom dead center. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, I'm showing you inside it. Here grooving is to be done, and o-rings will be inserted here in this, and this is separation of water and oil of engine. And now you can see here. Okay, so this is front side of your crankcase. You can see here that these are cam bore and crank bore. You can see. Okay, idler gear grooving is done here. This is water jacket. Here water pump is assembled, and from this place water is to be transmitted everywhere inside the cylinder. And this is the rear side of crankcase. Okay, so flywheel is attached here. You can see the finishing. Here starter motor is connected. Okay, so this crankcase is made by a process which we called as sand casting, and here you can see the bottom side of the crankcase, and these are main bearings. Okay, so here crank shaft is assembled here in this, and these bearings hold these crank shaft. This is cam bore. Okay, so cam shaft is attached here, and this is your main bearing. This is your main bearing. You can see this is very important part in the crankcase because it holds a part which moves at a high speed. Okay, around 2100 rpm. Okay, so now I'm going to show you cylinder head. Same procedure is done to manufacture this cylinder head as well, that is sandblasting. And here you can see the top surface of the cylinder head. Okay, guide valves are inserted here. These are guide valves. Okay, so valves are inserted inside these guides. Okay, so these are made for machining processes, you can see here, and injectors are inserted in these boards, you can see. Okay, so this is made up of cast iron. Here you can see intake ports. So here is inserted from these ports. So these are intake ports. Intake manifold is to be assembled here in this position, and this is the bottom side of the cylinder head. You can see here the bottom side, and you can see the finishing which is done by CNC machines on the cylinder head. Okay, to provide a very good surface finish. So you can understand all these process. You can see here chamfering is done, pouring is done. So these machining processes are done here in this cylinder head. So we will take a separate video on machining processes. Okay, so I will show you all these things. So casting, you can see the casting here and machining processes, chamfering, etc. in this cylinder head. And the material used is cast iron. I have shown you a slide before, so you can see there everything is written in that slide. And this is your injector bore, and injection is done from this point. Okay, so thank you guys. So my next video will be on machining process. So to see that video, you can subscribe my channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.